To calculate the length of PQ, so I hope you notice here, these triangles, they're not right angles, so you can't use SOHCAHTOA, but we're going to use sine rule, cosine rule, okay? I've identified there what I want, okay, PQ, but we're not going to be able to work that out straight away, okay? This question is going to be worth about 7 marks, so we've got to do a bit of work to lead us to this answer, okay? Now, the key to it is appreciating, if I want this here, I need to focus on the other triangle to begin with and work out something with that. And what I'm going to work out is the side here that links them, okay? That's the key. If you work out this side that links them, I can then go on to that triangle for PQ. So I'm going to work out this side. Now, what sometimes helps is your choice in this is you can change the letters, okay? Because I want to work out this side here, okay? I'm going to call this side little a, okay? Which means then, if this side's called little a, the opposite angle then is going to be called big A, alright? And maybe then you'd want to change the other two letters to B and C to be consistent with the formula from page 2, right? Now, of course, if this is angle B here, then opposite it will be little b, side B. And then if this is angle C, opposite them will be little c here. So, I want little a, alright? They give me two sides and the angle included in them. That means that you've got to use the cosine rule, okay? You can't actually use the sine rule in this case because we don't have a pair that we know. We've got to use the cosine rule. So the cosine rule, quite simply from page 2, is a squared equals b squared plus c squared minus 2bc cos a. So you literally just plug the numbers in, okay? So little b is 8.8, little c is 10.9, take away 2, well, times, isn't it, b times c times cos a, so I'm going to use a bracket instead of writing times, so b is 8.8, c is 10.9, and then cos then of the angle 37. So what's good about this is I can just type all that in one go in my calculator, so 8.8 squared plus 10.9, I missed the square there, didn't I? Squared, take away 2 times 8.8, 10.9 times cos 37, and that comes to 43.0397, blah blah blah. So of course then to get a, I need to square root all this. So a will equal to 6.6 centimeters. We round to 1 decimal place there, okay? So that's what I've got here now. I've worked out this length to be 6.6. Now what's good is then, when I then look at the other triangle, okay, I've now got this side. I know this side to be 6.6, and that's going to help me now to work out this side here, okay? Now, we've used the cosine rule. You'd expect then to be able to use the sine rule in the next triangle. But to use the sine rule, I need to have a pair that I know, okay? Now, when you look at this here, I only know this length, okay? I don't know any other length. I don't know the length of this. But I haven't got that angle, haven't I? Okay, and I need that angle, so I've got an all-knowing pair. So I know that length. I need this angle. But you know what? We can work that angle out quickly, can't we? Because if you think about it, we've got these two angles, and we just use the idea of a triangle, that all the angles add up to 180. So all I've got to do is just work out that calculation on my calculator, and I get then the other angle. Okay, so it comes out to be 76. So now I've got a pair. I've got this side and the angle. Okay, and with the sine rule, it's really straightforward because you work out the side that you want to. The side that you want to work out, you focus on first, right? So we want to work out this side here, yeah? Okay, which will be little c in this case, won't it? Because I call the angle c, so it'll be little c. So it'll be little c over, okay, sine of angle c, so sine 46, equal to then the pair that I know. So I know this pair here, don't I? So it'll be little a here, 6.6, over sine then of the angle of it, right? The opposite angle, which is 76. All I've got to do then is to get C, take the sine 46 up to get rid of it. So I got C on its own. Because I'm dividing by sine 46, when I take it over, I'm going to times by it. So I get my answer to be 4.9 centimeters.